Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I will be working with two swatch nails, two purple colors, and I will be working with some foil. So I have a lavender and I have a nice grape color, and the glue adhesive I will be using will be from SCX products. So let's get started. I will be starting with this lavender by Icky. Their polish is really pretty. The consistency is really nice. The thickness is really nice. If you just wanted to use one coat and it does a beautiful coverage, one coat is good. And here is my grape color, and it is also such a pretty color, and the consistency, the smoothness on how it goes on is wonderful. Now here I am applying another coat, but I am going to add some other color to it, and it's just going to be towards the bottom, and I'm going to use my dotting tool, more or less like marbling. I apologize for the notifications that keep popping up, but yeah, it'll just be more or less of marbling. I am not intricately making any particular design, because some of the design will be covered up with the foil that I will be using. So here now is my purple grape. I just love it. It just goes on like a nice creamy butter. So I will be repeating the same process. It's not going to be any particular design. I'm just adding with my dotting tools. Then I'm going to cure it in the lamp for about 30 seconds and move on to the other nail. I hope you're enjoying my content of my nail videos. I am a new content creator. And I have been doing my nails for over 30 years, and I decided to start doing some video content and putting some of my creativity out there. So I truly want to thank you so much for taking the time out to support my channel, and the ones that have subscribed. I have gained 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. I greatly appreciate your support and your loves, and you do find interest in, what I do. And I, again, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you. And 90% of you guys that have been watching my videos are not subscribed. So I would appreciate if you do take the time out and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can receive some notification of anytime I upload new videos. Again, so I do want to thank you so much for the support. So it looks pretty. Just adding the foils and nothing else, to keep this design a little bit more simple. But I generally don't stop. And if you just add some top coat and give it that gloss, it looks pretty just by itself. Cure both of those in the lamp for the 60 seconds and bring it back out, and then I'm going to add some gems to it. Now I have my rhinestone glue and I'm going to add some stones, and I think I'm going to start right in the middle, and I am going to chunk the stones right in the middle of this nail. Alright everyone, if you made it towards the end of this video, I really truly appreciate your support. The watch hours does count. So here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.